In a quiet dorm room, a student experiments with a fresh time recipe using three 25-minute blocks. Between blocks, they jot one clear objective, a tiny milestone, and a 5-minute reflect to reset momentum. They limit distractions by design and treat every interruption as a structured pause to reclaim focus. To study smarter, they swap multitasking for single-task sprints and a brutal minimalism of leftover tasks. Results arrive slowly but steadily as energy aligns with sunlight, habits stabilize, and time finally feels built to last.